Welcome to the top best. The best thermal switch is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in your water heater, silently working to ensure safety and optimal performance by regulating temperature and preventing overheating, a small part that plays a massive role in your daily comfort and the longevity of your appliance, making its proper functioning essential for uninterrupted hot water supply and peace of mind. Number 5. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Experience the convenience of endless hot water whenever you need it. Our advanced technology ensures a consistent temperature, so you never have to worry about running out. Reclaim your space with our incredibly compact design. It's 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters and can be mounted almost anywhere, freeing up valuable room. Significantly reduce your energy consumption. It only heats water when you need it, unlike bulky tank heaters that waste energy maintaining temperature. Enjoy hot water exactly how you like it. It precisely monitors and controls water temperature, keeping it within 1 degree of your selected setting for optimal comfort. Perfect for a variety of needs, from a single bathroom to a small sink or office break room. It delivers efficient hot water flow for your point-of-use applications. This powerful unit provides a robust flow rate, ensuring you have enough hot water for your daily needs. Its self-modulating technology guarantees efficient operation. What we like. This offers endless hot water on demand, saving you space and energy. If you're looking for a continuous supply of hot water without the bulk of a traditional tank, this is a great choice. It's ideal for smaller homes or apartments where space is limited and energy efficiency is a priority. What people say. The thermal switch is a direct replacement for the original part and fits perfectly. It restored the water heater to its proper functioning, ensuring hot water is available when needed. The switch is easy to install, making the repair process straightforward for DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. Dreyoo RV Water Heater Thermal Cutoff Kit. Ensure a safer and more comfortable shower experience with this complete RV water heater thermal cutoff kit. It effectively regulates water temperature for your peace of mind. This assembly maintains your water temperature below 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with an ECO thermostat set at 180 degrees Fahrenheit and a thermal cutoff at 208 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed to prevent overheating and scalding. Featuring UL-listed copper wire and a fuse, this kit provides a safe water environment. The ECO thermostat assembly works diligently to prevent accidents. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included detailed user manual. You can have it set up and working in just a few simple steps. This replacement part is designed for broad compatibility with various RV water heater models. Please check the list to ensure it fits your specific unit. The package includes everything you need: a thermostat assembly, ECO assembly, foam cover, connecting wire, fuses, and instructions. Contact us if you have any compatibility questions. What we like. This provides a complete cutoff kit for RV water heaters, ensuring safety with precise temperature regulation. If you own an RV and need a reliable replacement part for your water heater's safety system, this is the one. It's designed for easy installation and offers peace of mind for a comfortable shower experience. What people say. Easy to replace bad ones as on the outside, so easy to get to as well. Great instructions and good product. The parts all seem to be high quality and the temperature has been much better than before. Installed 2 new thermostats and new cutoff and the water heater fired right up. Number 3. Bradford White 239-43676-03 Thermal Switch. Ensure your water heater is running safely and efficiently with a genuine OEM replacement part. This component is designed to meet the exact specifications of your original unit. Trust in the quality and reliability of Bradford White. This part is manufactured to the highest standards, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Specifically designed for model number 239-43676-03, this thermal switch is crucial for maintaining optimal operating temperatures. It's engineered for precise control. Proudly made in the United States, this part reflects a commitment to quality manufacturing. You can rely on its durability and performance. Maintaining your water heater with the correct parts is essential for safety and energy efficiency. This thermal switch plays a vital role in its proper function. What we like. This is a genuine OEM replacement thermal switch from a trusted brand. If you need a direct, high-quality replacement for your existing water heater's thermal switch and value reliability, this is your best bet. It ensures your unit functions as intended with a part specifically designed for it. What people say. Perfect replacement. Got my water heater working properly in 10 minutes. I was able to replace this on my 50 gallons gas Bradford white water heater. It took less than 5 minutes and I haven't had a reset happen in over a month. Worked great for my 2005 Bradford white water heater. Pilot would not light, replaced thermal resettable switch and got hot water once more. Still running good after a week. Number 2. Funmit 42001-0053S Heater Thermistor. Ensure your pool or spa heater is running smoothly with this direct replacement part. It's designed for specific Pentair STA-Right, Master Temp, and Max E-Therm models. Please verify your machine's model before purchasing. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this component is built to last in your pool or spa environment. Its robust construction extends its service life, saving you from frequent replacements. This part accurately monitors your pool water temperature within a wide range. It ensures your heating system operates efficiently, keeping your water at the perfect, comfortable temperature. Replacing this part is a breeze and can be done in just a few minutes. Remember to turn off the power, ensure your hands are dry, and wear gloves for safety before you begin. Funmit is dedicated to providing high-quality appliance replacement parts and excellent service. We stand by our products, and your satisfaction is our top priority. Contact us with any quality concerns. What we like. Built with durable stainless steel, this thermistor offers precise temperature monitoring for pool and spa heaters. If you're looking to maintain your pool or spa at the perfect temperature efficiently and want a long-lasting replacement part, this is an excellent option. Its robust construction ensures it can handle the environment. What people say. This replacement part fits perfectly in our Pentair pool heater, even though it's not an OEM part. It matched the original specifications and dimensions precisely. Made from stainless steel, this replacement part is durable and resistant to corrosion, which is essential for pool equipment exposed to water and chemicals. This thermistor solved the false high temperature reading and saved me hundreds on repairs. Number 1. Romalon 42001-0053S Heater Thermistor 3-Pack. Introducing the Romalon 42001-0053S Thermistor, a 3-pack replacement designed for your pool and spa heater. It's a better alternative for Pentair STA-Right, Master Temp, and Max E-Therm systems. Ensure your pool and spa stay at the perfect temperature with accurate water monitoring. This device operates efficiently within a wide temperature range, guaranteeing optimal heating system performance. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last. Its robust design ensures reliable performance even with prolonged exposure to water, reducing wear on your heating system. Installation is a breeze and can be completed in minutes. For added convenience, you can find helpful installation videos online. Remember to turn off the power before replacing and wear gloves for safety. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied, a replacement is available. Feel free to contact us with any questions about compatibility with your appliance. What we like. This 3-pack of stainless steel thermistors provides excellent value and corrosion resistance for pool and spa heaters. If you're looking for accurate water temperature monitoring and want a cost-effective solution with multiple replacements on hand, this is ideal. Its high-quality materials ensure long-term reliable performance. What people say. So easy to install. As soon as I replaced the original and fired up the spa, it heated up immediately. They fit fine, no issues, and works great. The only difference in the OEM part is that it has thread seal tape on it, and these I had to add myself. Product arrived quickly and installed easily. Just as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.